Hey everybody, I just wanted to make this video about LearnQ and my experience that I've had thus far. I'm pretty new to LearnQ, but I'm not new to SAT prep. I've been an SAT prep tutor for just about 20 years now, way back when we had the paper and pencil test out of 2400, went through the transition of it going to a 1600 test, and now, of course, as you know, our new transition into a completely digital exam. With that, I understood that technology was going to be the pathway to helping students of all different financial situations to be able to have great access to exceptional test prep. And that hasn't always been the case. So when I learned about LearnQ and I learned about their AI offerings and their particular platform, I was super excited to jump on, super excited to try it out. And more importantly, to have my students try it out as well. And I must tell you that I have been very, very pleased. The students that I work with personally have also been very pleased to get on that system and to add that into what I provide to them as a private tutor. And I'm really thinking about having students just completely use the system, the LearnQ system itself, right? The ability for me as a tutor to make assignments, to have students go through the material and through the concepts on the LearnQ platform in a particular fashion. And the new add-ons that I've just learned about where I can actually add my own questions as well to make my personal LearnQ platform differentiated from maybe other tutoring companies out there that might be also using it as well is really second to none. Why should I go and create my own platform when LearnQ has done all the work for me and my students can reap the benefits right away? So if you're out there and if you're a private tutor, an independent tutor, you run a tutoring company, I encourage you, I implore you to take a look at LearnQ, take a look at what they're offering. There's room for all of us to succeed. You know, we are in the business of education, in the business of helping students to succeed. You know, none of us can work with everyone, but we can all work together to make sure that every single student out there, or really around the world globally, has the tools to earn the test scores that they seek to earn so they can go to the colleges that they seek to attend, right? So this is all about the SAT math guy who was, that's my name on my YouTube channel. But really, I wanted to give all the praises to the LearnQ team and their phenomenal developers and their phenomenal marketers for creating this product. And I just can't wait to see what all is in the pipeline as this product continues to develop and to improve and get better over time, and all of the student success stories in the future as more and more students begin to use this product. Thank you so much.